Samsung faces a challenge if it wants the Galaxy S24 Ultra to retain its position as one of the smartphones in the market. The iPhone 15 Pro series and Google Pixel 8 Pro have made quite an impression. However, based on what we know about Samsung's flagship device, the Galaxy S24 Ultra seems promising and of quality. It may even arrive earlier than expected, packed with specifications that will undoubtedly give competition to its rivals. There is a chance that the rumored S24 Ultra could be crowned as the Android phone of 2024. The launch is anticipated to take place in the year. There's not much waiting time left. As leaks and rumors start to surface, we already have an idea about anticipated specs and features of the upcoming device. Some unofficial renders have even been circulating. Based on the information, the Galaxy S24 Ultra appears to bear a striking resemblance to its predecessor upon observation. However, there are modifications in both its design and display. According to a tweet by Ice Universe, there are rumors that the upcoming Samsung's S24 Ultra will have a screen of a curved display while still maintaining its overall appearance. Some speculations suggest that leaked measurements indicate bezels, but this may be due to the remaining curvature of the new titanium chassis. Rumor has it that the device will support a 6.8-inch Douyu QHD Plus display with an M13 LTPO panel, which is also rumored to be featured in the iPhone 16. This next-generation display is said to offer power efficiency and a dynamic refresh rate ranging from 1 to 144 Hz. Additionally, there's a rumor circulating about the device having a peak brightness of 2500 nits, surpassing the impressive brightness of the Galaxy S23 Ultra by 750 nits. Now let's talk about cameras. According to both Yajish Brar and Ice Universe, the upcoming device is expected to feature a camera setup. It will likely retain the 200 megapixels camera, 12 megapixels selfie camera, 10 megapixels periscope lens with a 5x optical zoom, and the 12 megapixels ultra-wide shooters found in its predecessor, the S23 Ultra. However, what's really exciting is the addition of a game-changing 50 megapixels telephoto lens with a 3x zoom. Some people were puzzled by rumors suggesting that Samsung might remove the celebrated 10x optical zoom feature from their flagship device. Fear not. The improved telephoto shooter, with its sensor size and wider aperture, could potentially offer results to the periscope lens without compromising image quality too much. In the release of the Galaxy S24 Ultra, it is highly likely that we will see a Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset. Considering that the S23 Ultra currently has a Snapdragon 8 Gen 2, it makes sense for the S24 Ultra to upgrade to the next generation of this chipset. Various reliable sources have given us insights into what specifications we can anticipate when the device hits the market in 2024. The significant one is the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset, which is an impressive new octa-core processor that has demonstrated promising performance in leaked Geekbench results. However, it's important to note that these scores are based on a production prototype and may not accurately reflect the final performance of the Galaxy S24 Ultra. If they do turn out to be accurate, then we could be looking at Samsung's device yet and a strong competitor to Apple's remarkable A17 Pro chipset. Additionally, thanks to information shared by Twitter tipster Revengus, we also have some expectations regarding memory and storage options for the upcoming device. Revengus' tweet suggests that the S24 Ultra will come in two RAM options, 8 gigs and 12 gigs. Additionally, there will be a range of storage configurations, with the highest option boasting an impressive 2 terabytes of internal storage. So, that's all of it that you could expect from Samsung's upcoming flagship. If you're still watching the video, then a sub to the channel will be massive, and stay tuned to the channel for more updates in future. See you in the next one. Peace out.